fuck's sake is this bit?
Adios.
Set 250 feet. Throttle set 420 knots. 3G round the corner. Looking ahead now. Check the valley's clear. Entering the McCundleth Loop, North Wales. Hard bank to the left, lining up the overbank to the right. Overbanking, 5G over the top, speed now 420 knots. Back down 250 feet. Valley wall flashing past the left-hand side. And short. Hard left turn. The lead 6 o'clock is clear. The weather looks good ahead. Lining up the valley. And speed's now coming up 480 knots. Positioning for the overbank. Waiting for the lead.
That shadow.
Yeah, they're gonna complete their...
Yep. Yeah, that was on purpose. He nailed it.
Hell yeah.
He looks like he's like 3 feet off the ground. Oh my god.
He's got it. He's got it. This boy's got it. Whoa! Boom! Whoa! Flipping heck! Oh my goodness me! Was that, honestly, I'm not going to make any more usage there. Wow! That was crazy, man. It's almost like it's almost like he had a wind shear, but it just slammed it down onto the ground. It was close to, yeah.